Hello, kids! Welcome to English Time. I'm so happy to see you. How are you today? Are you happy? Great! What's the weather in your place today? Look outside. What's the weather? Is it sunny, cloudy, or rainy? Listen. Sunny. Say, it's a sunny day. Listen. Cloudy. Say, it's a cloudy day. Listen. Rainy. Say, it's a rainy day. Listen. Here are the days of the week. Say, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look, what color is this? Listen. This is green. Say, green, green, green. This is green. Green leaf, green frog, green eraser, green slippers, green mango. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Is this a green eraser? Yes or no? Is this a green eraser? Yes or no? Is this a green eraser? Yes or no? Look, what letter is this? Listen. Letter E. Say, E, E, E. Letter E. E is for eraser. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for earrings. E is for eagle. Let's play. Our game is What's Next? Egg. Eraser. Egg. What's next? Yes, it's eraser. Look, what shape is this? Listen. It's an oval. Say oval, oval, oval. It's an oval. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Is this an oval? Yes or no? Is this an oval? Yes or no? Is this an oval? Yes or no? Look! How many eggs can you see? Listen. 5 eggs. Say 5, 5, 5. 5 eggs. 5 elephants. 5 erasers. 5 eggs. 5 earrings. 5 eagles. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Are there 5 elephants? Yes or no? Are there 5 elephants? Yes or no? Are there 5 elephants? Yes or no? I hope you had fun today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. This is Wang Sensei, your online tutor.